Good afternoon, this is Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax Pompano coming to you from beautiful Deerfield Beach, Boca Raton, Florida. Today we're going to take a look at this 2015 Sea Ray 230 SLX colored hull Bimini top. Boat has covers, as you'll see when we get upstairs. Nice 3-step stainless steel swim ladder. That's a Mercury Bravo 3 outdrive. This boat has always been dry stored, never kept in the water. Stainless steel rub rail. Beautiful colored hull. Sea Ray sea deck on the swim platform. Now I'm going to have to put you down for just a moment while we climb up here. There's a ski tow eye for water sports. You have some engine access through the top and a flip up. If you're hanging out at the lake, pull the release, you can flip this up to have a seat here. Nice spacious cockpit for a 23. Bucket seats for the driver and passenger with flip up thigh-rise bolsters. Beautiful 3-tone upholstery. There is a table which mounts here. Okay, we'll get that up in a second. You can see that there's cockpit lighting as well as blue accent lighting. This boat does have the optional enclosure. There's your nav light pole. This is kind of a neat feature. This is a hinge cushion that comes out for a cooler right here, so you don't have to have a cooler loose floating around in the cockpit. Flip down drink holder. There we go. That's a super clean Mercruiser 5.0 MPI 260 horsepower engine coupled to that Bravo 3. You can see nice clean bilge. There's our table for the cockpit as well as the table leg. This boat has a dual battery setup with the switch. Everything looks nice and clean like an indoor stored boat should. Big glove box. Within that glove box you will find a Rockford Fosgate stereo with a connection for your MP3 player. The helm features the remote for that stereo, tilt helm, and a whopping 77 hours on this boat. Still under its full Sea Ray warranty. Lock off door for the windshield. These are the covers for the entire boat, the cockpit and the bow tonneau. Anchor locker with an anchor in it. The seats hinge up and the seat backs hinge out. Bunch of life jackets in here as well as pockets to keep things in. On this side behind the camera gear you have a Fusion power amp for the stereo, and then these seats hinge as well to give you access to dry carpeted storage. In the floor you have a huge ski locker. He's got a wakeboard in there and some tow ropes. By the way, all the carpets are nice and good still. You can see we've got a wakeboard and a wake skate in there. They fit no problem, as well as noodles, the tow line, the boat hook, and more. That's going to conclude our tour of this 2015 Sea Ray 230 SLX.